All across America, homeowners are tearing down existing decks and replacing them with new, more functional and innovative outdoor living spaces. At Archadeck, we've been designing and building custom outdoor living spaces for over 35 years. And as the leading national deck and porch builder with over 100,000 structures built, we know how to combine process with perfection. Today, we're going to meet Malone and Christie Jacobs, the Bravman's next-door neighbors, who we'll find have some deck needs of their own.
I'm on the Architectural Review Committee for our Homeowners Association, and we review and approve all of the plans for new construction. And when the Bravmans submitted their plans for approval, I was really impressed.
She doesn't usually mention plans to me, but she mentioned that the Bravmans were substantially different from others, and that sort of became a joke as we started talking about building a deck, was the substantial difference between their deck and the other decks in the neighborhood.
At one point, the Bravmans were out of town, and we went over to let their dog Keely out. We were able to look up close and
sneak out on the
personal
under construction deck.
So, you know, that was helpful too.
You're always good at coming up with what the next project is going to be around here.
Well, somebody has to do it.
Yeah. Hey, Ben.
Good afternoon. So we had a chance earlier to walk around your existing deck and look at some areas that you'd like to change. And one of the concerns that you shared was that if you were to build a new deck, you'd like the new deck to be quite a bit more spacious.
Right, we'd like it to go out away from the house further and also go along the house further and change the window over there to a door so there's access. But when we go out, we really want to avoid having the posts go into the artificial turf that's in the backyard.
Okay.
Underneath, we have a fire pit and the stone furniture. We want to preserve the views from that part of the patio.
And open it up so that we can enjoy the rock furniture that is down there.
Right, okay.
Yeah.
And you also have these rescue dogs that you wanted to keep in mind. Tell me, how many dogs again?
5. We have Micah, Izzy, Gus, Olive, and Shadow. So
we have a couple that are aging, and they're getting where they can't do stairs very well. So we would like somehow to be able to build it where they can have better access and be safe.
And that should make it easier for us as time goes on, too, because we're not getting any younger.
Yes, okay. Well, I think we may have some solutions for you. So without further ado.
Cool.
So here's a floor plan. And just to get yourselves oriented, I always like to start the conversation from inside the existing house and what do we experience when we walk out that slider onto the new deck. So if we exit the house onto the new deck, first thing you'll notice is that is the main deck space that you're asking for.
Mm-hmm. And how much, I don't know, deeper is this than the existing?
Well, it's going to get you at least 6 more feet out from the house.
Great.
Being careful not to put those posts down into the existing yard. And this deck right here is all new space right outside what's
That's your door.
There's my door.
There's your door onto the new deck. And then in terms of getting up and down off of the patio, we thought about it in a number of different ways. But one of the creative solutions we came up with was actually wrapping the deck around this side of the house that isn't being used for anything right now. Mm-hmm. But as you know, the ground comes up quite steeply along this side, so if we wrap the deck around here, we can really significantly reduce the amount of stairs that guests have to deal with coming in and out of the backyard, and the dogs, you know, over the long term.
I never would have thought of that.
No, that's a great idea.
Now that we've had a chance to walk through the design and see how we've incorporated some of these needs and desires that you've expressed, is this the project that you'd like for us to build?
I think so.
Let's do it. I can't wait to see it.
Let's
exciting.
All right.
As Kim and Christy found out, when you work with Archadeck, we like to have a comprehensive conversation with you to get a clear picture of what you're looking for. We'll work together with you to refine your custom plan to your complete satisfaction prior to ever breaking ground. And all of our clients receive an exact price quote and detailed contract and specification sheet before construction begins. Next up, we'll get to watch Kim and Christy's beautiful new deck take shape right before our eyes.